Hey Jotformers! Holiday season is just around the corner, so we're here to show you how you can use Jotform to keep your organization on track this busy time of year.
We'll also be sharing some exciting new integration and widget updates, plus a Jotform case study.
Throughout 2020, we've added a number of features to make it easier to sell your products through Jotform. That's why this month's newsletter highlights some of the best ways to use Jotform for orders, with both giving season and Black Friday just a couple weeks away.
As crazy as it may seem, 2021 is also approaching fast. Discover how you can use Jotform and our newest product, Jotform Tables, to help you plan for next year. From managing projects, to budgeting, to facilitating orders, and even hiring. Whatever it takes, Jotform is here to help set you up for your best year yet.
We also have some major updates to our integrations and widgets. These include significant improvements to our Salesforce integration, which now allows you to create multiple records for each submission, plus other helpful features. This month we also released a handful of brand new Jotform integrations to help you do more with the data you collect through Jotform. Our new widget additions include Donation Thermometer, Zuku, and Facebook Pixel, which is a great new way to retarget traffic and boost your order form and payment forms. For more information on all of these, check out the Jotform blog.
Finally, we spoke with Adam Mendler, CEO of the VLAS Group, to learn more about how he uses Jotform for remote hiring during the COVID-19 pandemic. Be sure to check out our case study for the full story.
That's all for now, but be sure to hit subscribe on our YouTube channel so you can catch the latest updates and news from Jotform.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.